Hi, I'm Maria and I'm back to do another demonstration. But first of all, I'd like to say thank you so much to everyone who left such amazing comments after my first video. The demonstration I'm going to do today starts off very similar to the last one, but what I want to do is show you how far you can stretch out the paint and the cells. Also, I just wanted to say I bought myself a little Acrylic camera and I'm going to be wearing that on my head with this head mount. So hopefully you'll be able to see what I'm seeing as I create the cells. I hope it doesn't make you feel dizzy, but if it does, please let me know and I'll try something else. So here are the colours I'm going to use. I haven't got a green this time and I've added a lilac. I'm going to start by layering up the colours like before. 2 lines of colours. I'm using these paints in order. And now in the opposite order. I've used these colours before, so I know they go well together in both directions. I shall swipe with white one way. And swipe the other way with iridescent lime green and I think it was electric plum with black. I don't always lay the colours up this way and do a double swipe. I will definitely do something different next time. And now I'm starting on the cells. If this is making you dizzy, please let me know because I will mount the camera in a different way. I don't know what to call this method of cell making, so if you have any suggestions I'd be pleased to hear them. Maybe sparking or dotting? I don't know. What do you think? I'm just going back and filling in the gaps with some smaller dots. to get the cells to reach each other so they just fit snugly together. Sometimes you can get one that gets a bit too big and it just takes over and pushes all the others out of the way, like a big bully. We don't want that going on, do we? Sorry if you're finding this video too long, but I have cut out as much as I can. I've cut out the parts where I'm clearing up the floor or cleaning up the tools, washing my hands, and standing up and standing back and moving close again. So if I want to cut any more out, then you would miss part of what I'm doing. I think sometimes I overdo it with these tiny cells. Sometimes I should just know when to stop. Right, I think that's enough cells for now. Let's start stretching. the other end. just flow off the edge, as you can see. Makes a bit of a mess. I quite like that big cell there, so I'm just going to try and make it a bit bigger, try and stretch it down towards the corner. The sun's pouring in the window at the moment, which is making it difficult to film. Hope you can still see. Just moving the paint back into the middle a bit. And now I think it's time to remove some of those white dots. They're so annoying. It's caused by air bubbles, I think. And the more you stretch out the paint, the more you seem to get. These cells on the edge are fitting together nicely. Yep, I think that will do. For now anyway. And this is how it finally looked. I trimmed off the edges with a knife. Hope you enjoyed that second video. I shall be back again soon.